That's Graham Banks from GB Racing, yeah. Graham's top bloke. He's looked after and supported the coaching bike and the various bikes I've had over the years with crash protection.
Why do you check if they're all the same length?
Well, some bolts are different lengths, and that means if you put a bolt which is too long in and carry on winding, you can end up either damaging the bolt or worse, damaging the motor. Or if it's too short, it won't bite on anything. So I always check that the bolts are all the same length first of all. And we've got the clutch cover. And that's 1, 2, and a back one. There's 2 long ones and a short one. So that's going to be one of the long ones. This is going to be a short one, I think. Could be wrong. Yeah, it looks a bit shorter. No, same length. Yeah, that's a short one. So the 2 long ones and the shorter one. So the shorter one goes in the bottom.
And tell me about the engine. What cc is it?
The engine's a 890cc parallel twin, firing from memory at 270-degree rotation, which means that they're out of sync in that sense. But the general consensus is it gives it more torque because you get 2 rapid pulses and then a longer gap, which gives the back tyre more chance to grip. You know, not dissimilar to the Yamaha's idea of the cross-plane crank. But this is in the twin variant, so in a sense they don't sound like a conventional parallel twin. They sound more like a V-twin in the way that they sound, which is appealing in itself, really. We're done. Sounds very purposeful, doesn't it? I like the way the tacho starts at 6.